Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So tonight I started taking the big block apart in Candy Kane to try to assess the damage and see what all was going to be wrong with this 402. I know that the oil pan has holes in it, and there was milk coming out of the headers after the race. But I got the spark plugs out and the headers dropped. So we'll take a look at the spark plugs and see what you guys are going to guess is the problem with this. So here is 1 through 7, 2 through 8. All of them look pretty decent. Number 3 is suspect because the ground is bent way out and it was kind of hard to get it out. All the rest on the driver's side look pretty good. The passenger side, all of them look pretty good too, except for number 2 has a piece of debris in it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It may not focus. Let's see. Try to focus. Anyway, let's try that. All right, so right there in the top, there is a piece of debris in there, so that's number 2. The holes in the oil pan line up with number 3. I was thinking maybe, 2 or 5, but yeah, number 3. So here's a picture of the oil pan. And it's on both sides of the oil pan where the dents are. So anyway, what do you think may be the outcome of Candy Kane's carnage that was caused at No Name Nationals? The oil pan has holes in it. I haven't seen, there's no holes in the block on the outside. Tomorrow I'll get the engine out and we'll assess the damage from there. But what's your guess?